Mario. Okay. It's the last day, and the last day has the same crew as the first day. Me, Mario, and Will. We got Captain Bean behind us. But the full moon rolled in, and the tide is up like crazy. It's a king tide. It's waves a little rough, but probably about as rough as that day with Adam, so day 2. They said it's rougher, but I don't know. That day was pretty freaking rough. But I don't know. I'm not an ocean guy. Anyway, there are no birds, and there is no sign of any marlin. So I don't know what the plan is, but we're definitely gonna look for fish. I mean, we just got here. You know, first thing in the morning-ish. We just ran the boat for 2.5 hours, so we're definitely gonna go look for them. But this trip has been just amazing. But you know, weather's weather, and we're weathering. We're weathering.
Will! Oh my God!
Oh, it's so heavy.
Ese me gusta el color, eh?
Sí, el color es bueno.
Said he likes that color.
It's so heavy, bro.
Yeah.
One moment.
Okay, we found Marlin.
One moment.
See?
All right, so last day. Been rough. We got a school right here. We got Will up front. These are all like small marlin right here right now. Oh my God, they're perfect size. Holy Oh! I'm kidding! I know. Look at that fish. Look at the color. Yep. Okay. Oh, they're busted, brothers! ¿Qué pasó? Te digo que ese fly es bueno, güey. ¡Yeah, amor! ¡Chingón! ¡Yeah! There's a ball in front too. Whoa!
We're chasing this school of marlin that's chasing a bait ball, and every once in a while the bait ball stops. You can see our pals over here. Sometimes it stops in front of their boat, sometimes it stops in front of our boat, and we're getting good shots. There's even a dorado in there too. We've got some wax, but we've got to change the fly. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Tiene otro.
Yeah. Really fight him on the 14 lane.
Just torque him, huh?
Yeah. And I'm like, I'm taking a page out of Will's book, like, just f***ing trust your gear. Also, Will tied my bimini, so.
Dude, it's the perfect size! Ay, ay, ay.
Wow, not Drake, eh? That's cool.
Too pequeño, dude! It's big! Oh!
Sick, dude.
¡Manolito!
in the city with a plan to get it going like it was past interference, pan like around the building.
Leader.
Yeah!
Good job, bro. Get in there. Get in there.
Now, Aldo, come grab it.
Turn his TV off.
You gotta be really careful with this one when we let it go because it's really hot.
Turn his TV off. Turn his TV off.
Alright, Will, you ready?
Yep.
Oh my God. Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Aim him, put his head down.
Yeah.
And now drop his head down all the way in. Yep.
Hell yeah, bro.
Oh! Yeah, dude!
Good job, Mario. Good job, guys.
Chingón.
¡Vamos, pues!
Let's go! Dude, that is way too much fun, man. Thank you. Gracias, gracias. Oh my God. Oh, wow, Mario.
Yeah,
You're good, bro. You're good, bro. You're good.
Right at the boat, dude.
Yeah, Will. Se le fue.
You have it still?
Hey, John.
Is it?
I don't know.
Ah, shit.
They're moving so fast.
Yeah, we're moving at like light speed.
Have a good moment in a second. Okay. They're gonna start coming up. Oh! See? Yeah, oh my God, it's a sardine. What?
You got the bait right there?
Yeah. Yeah,
Nice.
perfect. Oh!
Come on. Like, I couldn't have been more perfect.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Nice, Mario.
Oh! Ah, no bueno? Okay.
Okay, we are gassed. Crazy day. Awesome day.
Yeah, man.
Got some serious shots, eats, but it's wild out here, man. It's wild. Damn. Those are our buddies. Good luck, muchachos. Adios.
Vale, man. Thanks for coming out. Not bad, Will. It's all.
Yeah, we're calling it. We're out of here. We're exhausted. Adios. See you, Tom.